Hi, if you have some HR payroll data, what can you do with it? Well, some idea that I can share with you is that you can put it into Power BI desktop and created something like this. Okay, so now you have a better idea that January I have this account, February I have this account, and March, and look at that, the number has changed. You see that? So you can easily create a lot of visualize the changes. Or maybe I can just go for here. You can just get an idea. Now I can also create a column chart here, and then I can also create a department and also the account. Oh no, no, I don't use the department. I can only use by month. But nope. Look at that. If this is only January, no, I don't want that. Go to the here. We're gonna use the that's a slicer. Am I selecting a slicer? Oh no, no enter. It's not there, right? Okay, selections. I can also have show all. Okay, select all the month. Okay, select all. We can use the get all just one. Or select all. Look at that. Now, okay, that's a head count. I can also copy these and paste it here, and I'll change it to line. Okay, and I also can have well, so you can see that analyze on a monthly basis, on yearly basis. Okay, and you can also do the what do you call that? Okay. Yep. Okay, so I can go to my order. There's no edit interaction. Yeah, that's one. So no interaction, no interactions. Okay, click on this here and look at that. So what's the difference? It said this two is now no longer changed. I guess I check that. Let's also get one. Okay, so this is pretty cool, right? It's a jury and you can analyze this. Of course, right? Yeah, maybe for some reason you want to analyze by that. You can analyze by this, or you can also analyze your as a whole. You can also analyze that, say, a donut chart, and you go for the meal and and female. Look, a female and a male doesn't have much changes, so we gotta do it differently. Head count and gender. Uh-huh. Alright. Okay. So there is a category on your legend and the value over here. So there are many things you can do with it. Look at that. Now it start changing. We're gonna change that. 400 and something. Select everything here. Look at that. Now it changed month by month. Okay, but if you want to look at in greater details, you can see that these other department have more female, and there are some department that totally have no female. So if you're talking about diversity, right, then this is a good thing to analyze. Okay. See, it is really analyzed from this data set here. So you can do a lot of things with Power BI, and this is just the Power BI so once you finish this, you can also publish it to Power BI services. Okay, and this also using what I call the establishing relationship between the that team tables and the payroll month by month payroll data. Okay, I hope this give you some idea what Power BI can do for company data. So this is the explanation on HR data. You can apply the same technique for sales data, for operation data. Sky's the limit. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless HR.